guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. This is the final look which I'm going to create this in this video. If you're new here, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. I just posted a poll in the Instagram about a blow drying technique which I use regularly in my life. Many people said yes, so here I am. Last week I couldn't post this video because I had some hand injury. So with no other delay, we're gonna get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply some serum. I'm just using this streak serum. And the next thing, I'm gonna part this crown area of mine. If you have a small area, that is, if you have fringe, you can just take the fringe alone. But I have a very longer hair, so I'm taking the crown part, the whole crown part. After this, I'm just going to tie up all this catch. I'm having two type of blow dry brush. I'll use this two blow dry brush. For this small volume hair, I'll use this one, and for the bigger volume hair, I'll use another one. I bought both these blow dry brushes from a shop called Monica in Paris. It has all beauty products. The first process is you have to comb your hair, make it frizz-free. This is the process you're gonna do. Since I'm gonna on my blow dry, then you will not hear anything. I'm just showing how to do it. If you want a whole lot of volume in your crown part, you can just roll it down like this, and then once the hair is fully dried, you can just put a hair tie like this. I'm just going to part this section. Same process I'm going to apply for this area also. You have to take the brush, place it like this, roll it down, pull it, roll it down. And if you want a volume here, you can just pull it like this. So this can be done both ways, but then I prefer the volume over here because this crown part should have some volume, then only you can manage putting many hairstyles. Crown part is over, so I'm just going to tie it off. As I told you, please don't tie it very tightly. It will give you a mark over here and will mess the whole blow dry. So I'm just going to repeat the same process. Like I have to take the crown area first, and then the side area, and the crown area, and the back end of the side area. Finally, I have finished drying up all the parts of my hair, and you can see the volume now. See, you can just see the volume. If you straighten your hair or you just blow dry without this technique, no, you will not get this volume. So this is the favorite part and most exciting part also. You can see the volume all over here. If you use a straightener or you simply blow dry your hair, this will not be the result. And this is the final look. So I've dried up my hair with a voluminous technique. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it up a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more such updates. So I'm just linking up the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share it with your friends. And if you have some suggestions for further videos to be done, you can also just comment it below in the video. So I'll meet you up in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies.